When homeowners think about improving security, their first thoughts often go to alarm systems, cameras, or smart locks. While these tools are valuable, one of the most important and frequently overlooked components of home protection is the quality of your door installation. Even the strongest doors and most advanced locks can become ineffective if the door itself isn't installed correctly. Proper installation strengthens your home's first line of defense and significantly reduces the risk of forced entry. A secure door starts with a strong foundation. A front or back door is more than just a point of entry, it's a protective barrier. If that barrier is not aligned, anchored, or leveled correctly, it can create weak points that intruders can exploit. A properly installed door ensures that the frame, hinges, strike plates, and locking mechanisms work together to resist pressure and tampering. Poor installation, on the other hand, can leave gaps, misalignments, or loose components that make it easier for someone to kick in or pry open the door. Professional installers understand how critical the door frame is to overall security. They reinforce hinges, secure the frame into the structure of the home, and ensure the door fits tightly within its opening. These steps create a sturdy foundation that helps prevent break-ins and enhances your peace of mind. Maximizing the strength of your locks and hardware. Homeowners often invest in high-quality deadbolts and smart locks. But even the best lock won't perform well if the door it's attached to is unstable. A strong lock needs a reliable installation to function as intended. Proper door installation guarantees that the strike plate is perfectly aligned with the lock, the screws are long enough to anchor into the home's framing, and the door closes securely without sticking or shifting. When all components are properly aligned, locks can withstand greater force. This reduces vulnerabilities and ensures that your security hardware does its job effectively. Additionally, professional installers can recommend upgraded hardware, reinforced plates, or multi-point locking systems that further boost your home's protection. Eliminating gaps and weak points. A poorly installed door may leave small yet significant gaps around the edges. These gaps not only compromise energy efficiency but also weaken security. Intruders can use simple tools to exploit these openings. Proper installation ensures a snug fit that minimizes opportunities for tampering. Tight door seals also stop drafts, noise, and moisture from entering your home, providing an added benefit beyond security. With a properly installed door, you get a more comfortable interior environment while gaining stronger protection from the outside world. Improving durability and long-term performance. Doors that are installed incorrectly tend to wear down faster. Misalignment causes repeated stress on hinges and locks, leading to premature failure. Over time, this creates security risks as parts loosen or stop functioning altogether. A professional installer evaluates weight distribution, hinge reinforcement, and proper balance to ensure smooth and stable operation. By investing in a correct installation, you extend the lifespan of the door and its hardware. That means fewer repairs, improved performance, and a long-term return on your investment. Boosting home value and curb appeal. Security isn't just about peace of mind, it also plays a role in your home's value. Prospective buyers appreciate homes with solid, well-installed doors that provide safety and reliability. A secure, professionally installed door enhances curb appeal, boosts insulation, and demonstrates that the home has been well maintained. Why professional installation matters. While it may be tempting to install a door yourself, even small mistakes can compromise security. Professionals bring experience, precision, and the right tools to ensure the installation is done correctly the first time. They understand structural requirements, hardware compatibility, and best practices that protect your home and family.